I'm gonna test this out right quick on your app. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Katie here, aka Big KD, and today we're doing something very special to me in the heart. I'm doing my niece's first ever acrylic nail set. This is something very special, very important, and very big. Before I start any set, I like to start with a soak. That's the part of the luxury experience, but don't mind my soak setup now because y'all, I'm about to get my suite, so this is not the full experience. Like, this is just people who know me, who don't mind, not getting a full experience in. And that's why I'm not accepting new clients, because I want y'all to get the full experience. I don't want to short y'all. Since my niece, she's only 8, and, I didn't want to risk damaging her natural nail bed. She, now you're old enough to get her nails done, so we did a pop-off set, which I'm glad we ended up doing because she told me I did her nails too long, and they was claws. She had claws on her hands, and she did not like them, and she wanted them off. And yeah, she fell asleep. So I did what I wanted to do. Like, girl, you said short, I did shortish. I did something close to short. And I did them lavender soaks. And as soon as I did that soak, she was out. Like, people be telling me that when I did them lavender soaks, they just be so sleepy. And I'm just thinking, like, nah. Because when I did it, I really couldn't really sleep. But I guess because I'm working. And that's why I want to go start getting my nails done from other nail techs, because I want the full experience too. I want to be able to fall asleep while I'm getting my nails and toes done. Since this is my niece and she got little baby fingers, I went in with like one of them brushes that you use for like acrylic flowers. I use those for like toes and like little baby fingers. And since she was asleep, I knocked out the application process so fast, like it was nothing. And also, if you wanted to do a pop-off method and you was wondering if it really worked or not, trust me, oh baby, trust me, that stuff worked. The tips was popping off before I even started putting acrylic on them. The tips was popping off as I was following them. The tips was popping off as I was doing the application. The tips was popping off. So don't ever doubt if you want to do a pop-off method, is it gonna work? Heck yeah, it's gonna work. Don't prep the natural nail. Go in with some cuticle oil. I just use vitamin E oil. That's what I use for my cuticle oil. It's good for the skin or whatever. I put that down on the nail, and then I went in about two to three top coat bases, cured them. That shit was popping off, popping like popcorn in a skillet. It was popping off. And so I didn't mess up my base coat because I had just bought me a brand new bottle of top coat and shit. You know what I did? I used an empty brush, an empty top coat bottle. I just used a brush from that, and I poured my top coat on my nail art palette, and that's how I did it. I was not about to get the oil in my new shit and fuck it up. No, I'm not. Since this was my niece, she was 8. I just really freestyle, but I did a simple freestyle. She just told me she wanted Hello Kitty nails, and she wanted them pink and purple. And then she just switched up to just wanting them purple, so I did me a new base. I did purple French tips. I did the Hello Kitties with the stars and the blinged out nails. I did a junk nail with chrome underneath because they say you put glitter in so it look good in the spots where you might miss. No, girl, you need to do chrome. That chrome really slaps. That chrome really busting because that chrome really got that shine in that mirror. It's gonna bust. And even though it was a real simple set, I went in and did like a loose glitter, like a glitter, fine glitter nail. Just to make it pop a little more and make it look cute. Just because it's simple don't mean it gotta be basic. Come on now. Then we go on with our top coat. Then we about to curate. And then tell me why I accidentally deleted the videos of the final product. So this is what I got for y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Peace out.